So we're getting ready to do the electrical in Brian Kuhn's truck here. And what I like to do is go with American Auto Wire, their Pro 20 kit. Comes with a lot of stuff, obviously the fuse box and the wires, but it comes with extra wires and fuses for your alternator hookup. Comes with extra wires if you're going with, this has got alternator, ground, start wiring kit. Comes with a dimmer switch, comes with a headlight switch, comes with the flashers, horn relay, miscellaneous other connections and all the fuses, a couple other more connections, and of course a bunch of instructions that are nice because they're color coded just like Chevy was. And all you got to do is just go through that piece by piece and you'll be okay. Also, these wires are labeled every 6 inches or so where they're going. Wiper feed, left rear turn signal, etc. So what I like to do when I get these is, you don't have to make a stand like this for this. I just do it because it makes it a little bit easier. You'll notice all your wires are bundled up, so you might feel inclined to install the fuse box and then start messing with all the wires, but it's more of a hassle once it's up underneath the dash and everything. So what you're going to do is you're just going to start with one of these bundles here, and you're going to go ahead and we'll start with the rear, nice and easy, and we will get this off. And then what I'm going to do is I'll go through all the wires. I'll make sure that everything's correct. It's all going to the rear. Like maybe this has the fuel sending unit wire in it. Maybe that's going to be going in the cab. Maybe it's not going to the back. So what I'm going to do is divvy up all of these wires to which direction they'll be going, because everything's going down right now. But we might want our gauges to go up. There's certain wires that'll go left, certain wires that'll go right, and some that'll go down. So we'll go ahead and undo all these. We'll wrap them all up back again. And when we do it, we're going to be using masking tape. And the reason that we use that is because I can do this, and then if I don't like where I put a wire and I want to change things around, I can simply take that and break it real quick and now reroute this to where I want it, and everything's still taped up nice and easy. So give me a few hours to get this all divvied up, and then we'll see what's up. All right, it takes me a couple hours to do this, and I'm basically just grouping things where I want them to go. Gauge clusters up here. Put the wires for gauge cluster up here. Wires to the back, wires to the front, what I'm going to be doing to the left, the right, etc. Occasionally, I'll be referring to the instructions just to make sure. I'll also be checking out what I'm going to be doing on my air conditioning, my computer system and such, and integrating that all at the same time. It's going to be a lot easier for you to do it now than when it's in the truck. Trust me,